Hello there, I'm Dr. Jones with SpineCare Chiropractic. I want to showcase one of our new therapies here called Shockwave therapy. Extremely effective tool for healing soft tissue injuries. It does this in a few ways. It sends acoustic waves deeper into soft tissues. It promotes blood flow to the area, produces or increases the recruitment of stem cells and growth cells to the area that help with that soft tissue healing, and also decreases inflammation and improves your sensitivity to pain. So for the shoulder, which we're going to be talking about a little bit today, common conditions we use it on is a rotator cuff tear, bicipital tendonitis, any soft tissue injury on the shoulder itself, even as deep as the labrum. So we're going to show you a little bit what the Shockwave treatment looks like on Liz's shoulder here today. So we've got a little ultrasound gel on there. We'll do a quick treatment. Ready, Liz?
I am.
Okay. So a typical treatment lasts a little bit longer than that, usually 3 to 5 minutes depending on the area or the severity of what we're treating. And most of the effects are seen somewhere between 3 and 4 visits total as a recommendation for most conditions. So if you think shockwave therapy might be something that is useful, or you're interested in seeing if you're a good candidate for it, we'd be happy to see you. Call in, schedule a consult, and we'll figure out if it's right for you.